Whitney77 and welcome back to another edition of the Deep Condish, where we deep condition our hair weekly while we get caught up on the dish and what happened in hip-hop and pop culture for the week, girl. So grab your conditioners and let's chat, okay? If you're new here or if you're returning Whitney, go ahead and hit the like button and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, okay? Okay, so I just been feeling like, oh, if you want to know what I'm deep conditioning with, because I'm ready to jump into this dish, sis. If you want to know what I'm deep conditioning with, feel free to check the description box for my deep conditioning routine or whatever. But anyways, we're gonna kick off this week with, I guess, fist pump news. And ironically, not even ironically, because I remember like a couple of weeks ago, I ain't had nothing but good stuff to say. But there hasn't been a lot popping positively that I could find that, you know, kind of sparked my interest. But I am going to start off this this deep condition by saying R.I.P. to Stephon Clark. Another senseless killing of a black person. Senseless, ignorant. How can you shoot somebody 8 times and 7 in the back? Yeah. America should be mad. The world should be mad because that's wrong. But let's jump into something a little bit lighter. I finally saw Black Panther, y'all. It took me, what, a month to see it after it drops, and I know y'all probably like, what you thinking? What you thinking? Because, I mean, okay, let me give you my opinion. It was good. But I'm just really confused on the, I wasn't gonna say like the hype, but the fact that people were like dressing up in like African attire, because it's not, I don't know, I guess. I did it. I went, it was probably like me and 3 other people in the movies when I went. It was like a couple, I don't know, it was about 3 other people in there, and I was the only black person. But I will tell you, when I left up out of the girl, my cheekbones, I feel like they just popped out. Some automatic natural highlighter just appeared on my cheeks. I was driving home. Look, them cheekbones were strong as hell. You hear me on the ride home? I was like proud, like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I come from Africa. But it was cool. I don't understand why some people are going to see it again and again and again. I feel like for me, that's doing a little bit too much. But it was definitely a good movie. Oh yeah, and the person, when I said it was 3 people in there, one of the men got up and walked out when the credits were showing. Everybody know, well, everybody should know that when you watch like what Marvel movies, like after the credits they actually show more of the movie. Everybody didn't know that, so he don't even count. So I guess it was 2 other people in there. Yeah, so I saw it. I thought it was great. I don't want to say it again. I feel like I'm so weird because I found a lot of those. I'm not gonna ruin it for y'all who haven't seen it, but I just felt like a lot of the parts where everyone is so intense and it's the climax of the movie, I found it really boring to me. I'm not a superhero actiony type of girl. The fighting scenes, the natural fighting scenes were good because it's realistic to me. So the fighting scenes where they were like fighting on land, it was like people fighting against people, like regular people, those were cool. But when it got into like, of course, the super power stuff, I was kind of like, you know, all the superpowers, I was just like, But anyways, yeah, so I like the movie. Definitely won't be going to see it like again and again while it's in the theaters, but I would definitely watch it if it come on TV or Netflix. I would totally watch it. But yeah, so we're gonna jump into the mess segment for this week, which is, I feel like it was kind of short, but let's just get to the question that I feel like America, the world has been wanting to know: who bit Beyonce? Are y'all really interested in who beat her, or y'all just really want to have something to talk about, sis? I really wasn't invested in who beat her. I seen a couple of posts of people trying to get noticed and say stuff like celebrities. Everybody thought Sanaa Lathan beat her. I really don't care who beat her. I just want to know why she run up to Jay talking. Oh, Tiffany Haddish the one who put it out there. But a lot of the times, y'all, when people be doing these like interviews for the magazine, those interviews be months and months ahead. I feel like the party that she was beat at was like in December or something of last year. It was last year, and this is just coming out, so she could have easily did that interview months ago. And everybody talking about, oh, Tiffany talk too much. That's still my girl. I mean, you gotta take her for what she is. I just respect her for not changing for nobody. Like, anyways, off the Beyonce, who beat Beyonce news, I really want to know who was mean to SZA, because SZA recently tweeted that she had her first kind of industry's mean girl moment, like somebody was mean to her. Maybe she didn't go into detail, and I'm just trying to figure out who is this person that think they just holier than thou, like you gotta act mean towards somebody who's like kind of new to the celebrity public eye scene. But you know, SZA popping, then now that's my girl. I really want to know who being rude, because who beat Beyonce, I feel like she should have handled it right then and there. But for you to go around and be mean to new people in the industry, like just because you're famous now, or you were famous, or you got a name for yourself, I mean, it's a lot of people that fall off that we just don't know what happened to them no more. So yeah, that kind of rubbed me the wrong way to know that someone was like mean to her. I don't know. Also in the news for this week, I feel like this was last week, but I'm just not mentioning it. Maybe I'm just seeing a lot of pictures of her. Tamar Braxton cut her hair off, like bald. I mean, that's a very strong thing to do, and you know, fist pump to her for that. But what I really wanted to talk to you guys about was the interview she did with, with Steve Harvey, and he was asking her, have she ever changed her appearance for a man? She was like, yeah, my husband liked blonde wigs and fair skin, so I mean, you gotta please your man, you gotta do what you need to do to please your man, or whatever, you gotta keep your man happy. And it was like this whole big thing on the medias about some people were agreeing that they have changed themselves for their mate, and some people were like, no, if he can't accept me how I am, then I'm not gonna be, you know, trying to force stuff and force, you know, to look a certain way if I'm not like naturally that way. So I feel the need to give y'all my take on this. I feel like, no, have I? Shit, I don't know. I don't think I have, no. It's always been what I like. Maybe they like how I naturally look. But I would never change my appearance for a man. Now, I could give me one of them 27-piece wigs if he wants some short hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, they could be arranged, but it would be definitely an occasional type of thing, and not me being forced to walk around looking like that every day to please you. Like, who are you in love with? Who do you love, me or this person who you want me to be? Now, I am totally for trying something that your partner like. Maybe he likes this perfume that you wear, he wants you to wear, like, that's cool. Like, those are things that you aren't altering yourself, you know, to please your mate. Like, that's cool, you know, you like this scent, it smells okay, not my favorite, but you like it, so I'm gonna wear it. Okay, that's cool, you know what I mean? But changing appearance, she's saying she got like 2,000 blonde, she probably was exaggerating, but maybe not, blonde wigs, because he like blonde hair and fair skin. Like, does he really want a white woman, or did he want Tamar? Like, I'm so confused. But I really wanted to get you guys' opinion on that, so comment below and let me know, have you ever changed your appearance for your mate? Or would you tell me? I just want to know your opinion, because I feel like a lot of you guys are married or have booze and stuff like that, you know, and I just want to know how y'all feel about it. So yeah, also I guess it's going downhill from here, as if it ain't already rolled down the hill like Humpty Dumpty. Chris Brown was seen, he was photographed choking a woman. Nobody knows who she is. Like, I don't think nobody knows who she is. Well, I don't know who she is. But it kind of came out that he said he was playing. Now I know there's a couple pictures going around of him with his arms around somebody's neck, and it was like another woman, looks like she was trying to get between him or stop him from doing it. I really don't like to touch on like certain things, because like I grew up around a lot of domestic violence. But on one of the pictures, it kind of looked like they were playing, but on the picture that they were spreading across social media, of course they would choose the worst of the worst, and it did look serious. So I honestly don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna think what I think, sis. I'm just gonna think what I think. But if you guys seen those pictures, definitely let me know what you think the situation is. He said he was playing. The girl ain't spoke up and said nothing. I really don't know. No kind of report, or nobody went to jail, or no charges were filed. So I don't know what to say about that. But I heard a story. I'm pretty sure all you guys heard the story about Fabulous and Emily, which, you know, Fabulous the rapper and Emily is his longtime, I don't even think they're married, they're a couple. But anyways, yeah, that he hit her like a couple of times, and nobody was believing it. They was like, somebody just trying to, you know, talk bad about him. They don't want to see him, you know, they just try to bring him down. Then a video surfaces of him cursing out his girlfriend. I guess she's his girlfriend. I don't know if he's married to her. Cussing out his girlfriend's father. And he had something in his hand. I don't know what it was. It could have been a knife. I don't know. But he was like, why you got him in my house? She was like, because he's my dad. He's my father. He was like, I'm her daddy and this and that, and you a coward. And I've never seen Fabulous talk in this manner, because, you know, he appears to be a very chill individual. But you really can't put nothing past nobody, sis. Like, nobody, not even me. I mean, I'm really cool. But, so that was kind of disheartening. But the way she jumped when he walked up to her, this isn't the first time that something like this has occurred, where there's been an argument, because he didn't hear her in the video. So I don't know. I don't know if any charges are going to be filed. I want to know who recorded the video, because I feel like it could have been outside of his house. So I feel like it had to be his oldest child to record it. You can hear kids crying in the background. It was like a really sad situation. But yeah, that's kind of what happened with that. And we're going to dive right into the witty listens for the week. Don't forget to use the hashtag witty listens to let me know what you've been listening to. You can even leave it in the comments right now, what you've been listening to through the week or whatever. So basically, I listened to this song so many times when it first came out that it stuck in my head, and it is the Cardi B's new single, Be Careful. I'm really interested to know what you guys think about it. It's kind of, at first I heard it, I was like, this is really simple. But then when I stopped listening to it, I was still singing it. And people were like, I thought you said it was, you didn't, you know, it was simple. But yeah, but it literally was stuck in my head. So I feel like maybe they did it on purpose. They made it super simple and catchy, so you can just one of them songs you be like, oh, I don't like, but then you know all the words. Maybe it was that. And I decided to try something new with my deep condition, well, not my deep condition, try something new with my witty listens. So I also listen to a lot of artists that aren't like A-list celebrities. They're indie artists, underground and stuff. So this one song that I had on repeat this week is by this artist. Her name is Olivia Nelson. And pull out your phone, sis. Pull out your phones, because I want you to listen to this song. I'm gonna try to put y'all on some game, because you know y'all be a little left behind, but it's no child left behind. So pull out your phones and type in Olivia Nelson, Smother Me. That's the name of the song. I think it's a really good song, and I've never heard of her before. She sounds beautiful, and I like the song. So yeah, that's a new person. If y'all looking for some new, looking for some fresh talent, there you have it. And I think that pretty much concludes this deep condition. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button off of GP. Maybe I said that backwards. I probably did. Anyways, I really want to thank you guys for tuning in to my deep conditions weekly. I hope your hair is nourished. Let me know what you're deep conditioning with right now, because y'all supposed to be deep conditioning while we do this video. You know, the original deep condition, first of its kind. Yeah, that. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys on next week, sis. Turn your post notifications on too. Peace.
Yeah.